Hello everyone, my name is Deepika, and first of all, I would like to thank Shanti and Murthy sir for believing in me for Raga role. And I would like to say, when I started this journey, so I used to think I need to act well, but after a few days, I started feeling like I'm living that character. That is opposite to my real personality, but that was a great challenge for me. And again, thank you, Shanti and Murthy sir, for making me comfortable for that. And thank you for all crew of this movie, because we all have put in a heart and soul to make this successful. And please see and watch. We gave our best to entertain you guys, and hope in future as well you guys give us chance to entertain you again. Thank you.
Andariki namaskaram, everyone. Thank you so much for coming here and giving your time to us. I am really excited for our film, Dirty Fellow. And first of all, as always, the first and foremost, I want to thank all the media people for coming here, giving your time. Because if you are there, our movie is there. So please help us, reach to greater heights. Secondly, I would like to thank Shanti Chandra for being an amazing co-actor, producer, and a guiding source. He's helped out throughout the film. So thank you so much for that. Thank you, Director Sir. I am absolutely privileged to be working with him. Thank you so much, Veera Shankar Sir. Everyone standing here on the stage have really, helped me in my journey, because it's the first film that I'm doing. So please watch the film and tell us how you like it. Thank you so much. I'd like to tell you one small incident that happened during our film. Just for fun. So I was shooting at Arku with Shanti Chandra, and we both had a scene. And there was a river and small stones on the river, and we had to cross that river, and it was very risky. So I remember this time, I was like, I am not doing this. Tata bye bye. I'm not doing this. He's like, trust me, I will pick you up and I'll take you. Don't worry. I was like, okay, cool. He picked me up and we were walking and he fell. But I'll tell you what a kind person he is. He actually fell on himself so that he could save me. And that's why heroes like him mean, something. So just one round of applause for him. As a co-actor, he's really helped me especially. And just a small incident I told you, so that just a little fun thing. Thank you so much for that. And likewise, I've made a lot of memories during this film. So please go watch it and tell us how you like it. Thank you.
Andarki namaskaram, na peru Nikisha. Idi ma Ranju Cinema Telugulo release undi 24th May lo. Dirty Fellow chala bagundi gattiga. No, I know. Tappuko churandi. Tappukonda churandi. Thank you for bearing my Telugu media garus. Thank you so much. And thank you to my entire team, my co-stars, Smriti, Prince, everyone here. I cannot remember everyone's names right now, but please go watch it, and thank you so much for your patience and love. Thank you.
యాక్చువల్లీ నాకు లైక్ మ్యూజిక్ ప్లే చేసి డ్యాన్స్ చేయమంటే ఎంతమంది ముందైనా చేస్తాను, కానీ స్పీచ్ ఇవ్వాలంటే కొంచెం టెన్షన్గా ఉంది. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ థ్యాంక్స్ టు ద డైరెక్టర్ అడరి మూర్తి సాయి గారు నాకు ఈ అవకాశం కల్పించినందుకు, అండ్ శాంతి చంద్ర గారు థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ ద, చాలా బాగా అనిపించింది. నేను ఒక టబ్ సీన్లో ఒక సీన్ చేయాల్సి వచ్చింది. థ్యాంక్స్ అలాట్ టు ద హోల్ టీమ్. ఇంకా నెక్స్ట్ టైం నేను ఇంకా బాగా మాట్లాడతానని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. ఈ సినిమా మంచి సక్సెస్ అవుతుందని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
మాతో మీ వ్యాపారాన్ని పెంచుకోండి. అన్ని రకాల వ్యాపార ప్రకటనలు మా IOTT ప్లాట్ఫారంలో వేస్తాం. అతి తక్కువ ఖర్చుతో మీ వ్యాపారం నిమాతో ముందుకు తీసుకువెరతాం. అన్నింటిలో మీ వ్యాపారం ప్రచారం చేస్తాం. మీ వ్యాపారం మా ప్రచారం.
మీ వ్యాపార ప్రకటనల కోసం ఈ నంబర్కి కాల్ చేయండి.